Let's fucking go. Okay po, di tayo aabot. Or am I? 3, 2, 1, abot, bitch! Abot, saktong-sakto lang. Opa. Ganto ba talaga pag bagong sahod? Holy shit, bro. Nagbabadyang ulan, pusang gala. Let's see what's good, what's poppin' at Don Galo. I need to get to the right lane. Bossing, let's go, let's go, let's go. Tanga, naalala ko may naging kaklase ako sa college. Bossing ang last name. Shout out Bossing. Hindi siya nagdadamot sa kalsada pero grabe rin talaga kayo. Tolls, pwede nyo bilis ang kapiraso habang maluwag pa ang kalsada. Sulitin nyo na. Hindi mo kami nagmamadali. Ayaw nyo lang talagang mabante. Tamo to. Gagi, tapong pulis yan. Tolls, tabi ka naman. Shut the fuck up. Diba? Hindi man traffic eh. Pinapa-traffic lang talaga nila eh. Mga tulunggis magmaneho eh. Uy, gagi. Kakasahod ko lang today. Makakapag-gym na tayo. That's what's up. May pambayad na tayo sa gym. Makakapagburat. Let's like buhat ka na. Okay, pangunahan nyo para pag inararo tayo, una kayo. I'm a big dog, big bear. I'm a lion. I'm the predator of the prey. Putek, tumapiyok na. Uwi ka na, pahinga ka na, lol. My oh my, I have found you, nigga. Don't you run from me, little nigga. You are not fast enough. You are not brave enough. You are out of love. Fucking A. Harangan mo, Lods. Yun. Pag nagasgasan siya, kasalanan niya. Siya ang lumapit eh. He fucked around and he found out. That's what's up. God, my ass hurts.
What did he say?
Time to do a crime. Crime time. Nah, no more. I'm good. Yan, pangunahan nyo ang crime time. It's not me, bro. Yo, your dog ass pipe, brother. So pain with extra steps. Ano sa tingin mo, Molino time? Pre, Molino time, gandong oras? Fuck no. Mas malala ang Molino kaysa sa Imus pag gantong oras. Ain't no fucking way, brother. I would rather commit Sudoku. I'm tired of this shit. Oh God. There's some pain, Olympics type of shit. Kita mo? There is no traffic. There is no traffic in Basingse. Pinapa-traffic lang nila eh. Wala naman talaga dapat na traffic eh. Fuck, saan ang pet ko? Putang. I'm out that bitch. Ang ganda ng sapatos ni madam oh. She, that's what's up. Just fucking go. Ain't no way, brother.